My name is Ruturaj Babung. I am from Senior College of Engineering, Pune. I am giving presentation on the survey on energy aware traffic engineering in MPLS networks. These are the content to be present in this presentation. The contents are introduction, literature review, motivation, proposed system, conclusion, and reference. What is multi-protocol label switching? It does not replace IP routing, but it will works alongside existing routing technology to provide very high speed data forwarding. It forwards the packet using label. It assigns the label to the packet and forwarding decision taking place on the label assigned to that packets. These are the routers used in the network communication. These are the IP host systems. What is traffic engineering? Traffic engineering is they monitor the state of the network and route the traffic according to the state of the network arise. It helps to network provider to make best use of the available resources. The packet forwarding is based on the shortest path between the source and the destination. There are two routes to reach the destination router H, C, G, F and C, D, E, F, H. The shortest path is C, G, F to reach the router H. There is a wastage of the resources router D, E and these links. To proper use of these links, we need to use traffic engineering this is the proper use of the traffic engineering to reach the destination. This is the in European telecom operator currently consume 21.4 terawatt per hour per year, and this is expected to the increase up to 35.8 terawatt hours per year in 2020. Why energy hour in the communication network is required? Network operator have to allocate an increasing amount of their operating budget to the electricity bill nowadays because of the wastage of the energy, excess of the energy required to the resources which is not used for the actual data transmission but which are kept in the network for the failure detection. These types of energy wastage of the energy, these increase the electricity bill. Till there are a large number of network devices in order to meet the higher traffic demands and the quality of service. This will increase the price of the electricity. That's why we require energy aware in the communication network. These are some methods, their description and the limitation which are currently used for the energy aware network. One of these is greening of the internet, in which the saving of the energy is by putting the network interface and the other component are sleep. There are use of the two methods, uncoordinated and the coordinated. In the uncoordinated network, it update the table for the open shortest fast path, and in coordinated it need to change the current protocol used for the data transmission. The second method is the survey of green network research, in which it will use for the adaptive link rate. It is divided into two types, sleeping mode and the rate cutters. It works on the wired networks. There are the limitation that the packet drop during the sleep mode, and if we don't want to drop the packet, then there is a need of the extra buffer to store the received packet, which will increase the cost. Third method is the energy aware backbone networks, in which is sort the device according to engine consume energy. The highest consume energy is at the first, then less energy come at the second, and so on. Then we first deactivate the highest energy content node to consume the high electricity, but it takes lots of time to deactivate nodes for the energy saving. The fourth method is a green traffic engineering, power aware traffic engineering, in which we collect all the information from the router and make traffic matrix. If traffic matrix is equal to the OSPF table, then we kept link on, do not to sleep. If it is equal to the maximum value allow, then we put link to the sleep and save energy. When failure occurs, we need to find another path to reach the destination, but it is a time consuming process. The motivation of this is to achieve quality of service in the MPLS networks, efficient use of the network resources, reduce the cost of the communication network, and to reduce the energy used for the communication. The proposed system will contain the offline component and the online component. In the offline component, it collect the information from all the routers, that backup paths and traffic for carrying the links. In the online component, we try to offload the links one by one and manage the networks. In online component, we also calculate the IR, interference link list, logical list. It contains the group which will use for divert the traffics. The conclusion from this is today there is a use of backbone network for the failure protection. If we use this backbone network to transfer data, then we save energy into the networks and avoid the excess use of the. These are the references used for the survey paper.